Akite, today you're brushing your shoes. Where are you going?
I'm going to Gulu.
What's in Gulu?
Tomorrow there's a show. MC Cash will be hosting Okelo as they celebrate 10 years of comedy.
Yeah. 10 years. That guy has made 10 years. Yeah. Where is it?
At Elefante Commons.
You also pronounce it well. It's Elefante.
Elefante.
How much is it?
On the 20,000. General. VIP 50. Okay, me to be on that day. You are 3 friends and you want to come and thief together. 50,000. You have given even discount.
Even me, I'm coming with you. You take me.
Do you have jokes?
I'm just from Ramadan here. I'm coming with you.
Those who are not invited for Eid, you come, Mama, and we laugh together at Elefante Commons. Tomorrow, 12th February. See you there.